This video presents the unified field theory that Einstein could not complete through Boolloyu, a superscience substance completed with Huyongyang energy. The Earth we live on. What is this universe made of? The universe consists of 67% dark energy, 28% dark matter, and 5% element. Dark energy and dark matter are invisible but undeniably present forces that humanity has yet to explain. So scientists are exploring why the universe was born and how the universe is structured to uncover the secrets of this realm. Einstein, with the theory of relativity explaining the macroscopic world, he uncovered the secrets of energy and matter. Bohr, with quantum mechanics explaining the microscopic world, he ushered in a new 21st century. And on July 4th, 2012, CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research, discovered the Higgs particle. The Higgs particle gives mass to all elementary particles. All elementary particles interact with the Higgs particle, and their mass depends on how much they interact with the Higgs field. With the discovery of the Higgs particle, scientists completed the Standard Model, which had been incomplete for 48 years. The four fundamental forces of nature, the strong force, electromagnetic force, weak force, and gravity, three forces can now be unified and explained together. The Higgs mechanism explains the process by which particles gain mass. It is a significant discovery that explains this process. However, many aspects remain unexplained. For example, the properties of the Higgs field or other related particles. And issues like the matter-antimatter asymmetry in the universe remain a mystery. Thus, science still faces many questions and always requires new theories and discoveries. However, there is an amazing discovery that can solve this mystery. It is Huyongyang energy. Huyongyang energy can interact with Higgs particles. To be precise, Huyongyang energy can interact with the Higgs field. So far, science has used forces like nuclear fission to obtain energy by destroying atoms. For example, there is a nuclear power plant. Nuclear power plants offer a certain level of stability, but they produce high-level nuclear waste, and in situations like natural disasters, their stability can collapse. Huyongyang energy does not obtain energy by destroying atoms, but it is also not nuclear fusion. Huyongyang energy contains the secrets of the universe that conventional modern science cannot solve. It holds the secrets of the universe. If we look at the Boolloyu, when the Higgs particle gives mass to other particles, by applying Huyongyang energy, we can see that particles change in a beneficial direction. As a result, Boolloyu can provide positive changes to human cells. Boolloyu refers to milk that has become immortalized. As the name implies, Boolloyu can provide eternal life. When looking at Boolloyu that has been imbued with Huyongyang's energy, we can understand how Huyongyang's energy works. Boolloyu never spoils. Food spoils due to microorganisms or the death of atoms. In other words, it is caused by chemical changes or the reorganization of molecules, especially with milk, which is sensitive and easily spoils and rots. However, Boolloyu imbued with Huyongyang's energy does not require preservatives or chemicals, and it does not spoil in any environment while maintaining the freshness of the milk. The following is a photo of an experiment with Boolloyu kept at room temperature. While regular milk spoiled, the milk infused with Huyongyang's energy, Boolloyu, did not spoil, and the SGS test results from the USA showed it was proven that the quality of the milk infused with Huyongyang's energy was overall superior. Boolloyu fixes telomeres. Telomeres are the protective caps at the end of chromosomes. It plays a role in determining the lifespan of cells. These are fragments of DNA that act as the cell's clock. When you drink Boolloyu, it fixes the telomeres of human cells, preventing aging. When you look at people who have consumed Boolloyu, you can see a reduction in facial wrinkles and a boost in skin vitality. Boolloyu has healing effects. Boolloyu infused with Huyongyang's energy can interact beneficially with atoms. Therefore, when you consume Boolloyu, the Boolloyu that enters the body identifies and treats the person's diseases. Richard Feynman said, "All things are made of atoms." Huyongyang's energy shows that interaction with all things in the world is possible. This remarkable characteristic of Huyongyang's energy can be seen applying beyond the boundaries of both the macroscopic and microscopic worlds. Einstein explained the material world of the macroscopic realm through the theory of relativity, E equals sine mc2. Huyongyang's energy is expressed as E equals sine 0. 0, when multiplied by any number, it is a mystical number that creates a state of nothingness. When you look at the Boolloyu with Huyongyang's energy applied, Huyongyang's energy shows that it acts beyond the constraints of the forces. It demonstrates that it operates without being bound by any force constraints. Thus, Huyongyang's energy is not controlled by any force. Huyongyang's energy not only deals with the Higgs field, but also utilizes invisible dark energy and dark matter. This is the discovery of the unified field, as spoken of by Einstein. Therefore, the Boolloyu with Huyongyang's energy applied acts in a beneficial direction for all atoms. Additionally, there are numerous recovery cases. If Boolloyu enters the market, it will dominate the global food, health, wellness, and anti-aging markets. Boolloyu can be directly applied to the milk, dairy, and bakery markets without preservatives. And since it has therapeutic effects, it can also be used as a health food, supplement, or medicine. Boolloyu will be a turning point for humanity, enabling humans to overcome aging and diseases. It will be a great turning point for humanity. This is the pioneer of the super science era that transcends science. This is something only Huyongyang's energy can accomplish. But why and how this is possible, proving this experimentally, is a challenge humanity must solve. The effects of Boolloyu have already been proven countless times, but humanity's knowledge is insufficient to explain the secret theoretically. Now, humanity has entered a new phase through Huyongyang's energy. Boolloyu is proving this. The emergence of Boolloyu with Huyongyang's energy applied is a true gift from God, a world of infinite possibilities, and it will open the super science era.